If you have been finding it difficult to log in successful to your Alipay account as a result of SMS code was not sent, wrong password or what have you, so what you need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can log in successful back to your Alipay account. Okay, so let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafiu Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to coach you on step-by-step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to log in successful back to your Alipay account. So probably the first thing you need to do is to make sure you can log in via SMS. Okay. So in this case, we have to wait for verification code to be sent to the Alipay account number. But in some cases, verification code might not be sent. Okay. Alright, so you can see after a counting of the seconds, everything went off and the code was not sent. Wow. So what you need to do next is to make sure you contact customer support if you don't have a login password for your account. So for you to contact a customer support, there is an help at the top right here that you need to click. So just click on help. So just come down right here and type in I want chat with customer support. I want chat with customer service and send. Then you can click on the number and call the number. You can check the time and I'm going to dial the number straight up. So look at the number right here.
To log in.
The phone number I used to log in on my Alipay.
Yeah, you should provide the phone number to me.
Okay, 234
234
80 74
74
90
90
18.
18, right?
Yes, 53.
53.
Yes, that's my Alipay
May I
account
have
number.
your country code?
My country code is 234.